Got an electronic entry gate here on the exit side. Is not opening all the way. Will not open. No power. Little reset button right inside there. Not easy to see. It's right there. It's just like a garbage disposal reset button. All fixed now. Nice and easy. Sometimes with these, you'll need to turn the power off at the breaker and let it cool down in order to reset it. If you feel the motor and it's really hot, it's much like a garbage disposal. It just has the little reset button inside there, overload switch right on the motor itself. Push the reset button after it's cooled down and generally it'll start up. Make sure the gate is back on track first and you're good to go.